First open company in Tele RP9 for which you want to change TeleVault password. Click on company info or press F3 on keyboard. Go to change TeleVault. In current password, type your existing TeleVault password you use for login and press enter key. In new password, type a new TeleVault password and press enter key. In repeat new password, enter new password again and press enter key. You will see a pop-up message asking change. Press enter key on keyboard and new company will be created and your previous company will remain as it is. Previous company will have previous TeleVault password and new company will have new TeleVault password. So first shut down previous company. Now let's log in new company with new password. Enter new TeleVault password. Enter username and enter password. Now press enter key. So we have successfully logged in. Never forget TeleVault password or security control password. In case you forget it, you can't access your data again. Now you have to delete previous company if you don't need it. To know how to delete company, check link on screen or in description. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon for notification of new videos.